We purchased the Betterweight mobile towing scale for its many options. We found that the quality of the product is exceptional, easy to use, and is extremely accurate. We highly recommend this product. The results of your testing will show up on your cell phone. That can be sent to your printer so that you have permanent copies. This port is usually found underneath or very near underneath, directly underneath your steering wheel. And just plug it in and you're ready to go. As you can see, there is only one way that this will plug into your port, and you can't screw it up or hurt it. Just plug it in and play. All the graphics are very, very clear, and the instructions are very, very easy to follow. I have had no problem with this whatsoever. We're not sponsored by these people. We purchased it on our own. We're just sharing with others so that they can be able to use this product and take advantage of it. It's a wonderful item. If you have enjoyed this short little video that we have made, please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to follow along, as we're going to be making more videos, please subscribe so you get all the latest information. Thank you from Grandma's Homestead Products, as well as Grandma's Homestead RV.